Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from
Group 1. We want to explain about the process of rain. Don't forget to like and enjoy the video.
Hello guys! In here, I want to explain about the process of rain. Do you know the process of rain what? The process of rain is the natural phenomenon that forms cycle rotation of the water on Earth. In simple way, the stage of rain process describes the process of water transmigration from sea, river, lake, and other water source to the atmosphere and then back to the land.
The rain process starts from the heat of the sun, which makes the water surface from the sea, river, lake evaporate to the air. The liquid droplets getting heavy by the high temperature and then it changes into cold. With the help from the wind, the clouds can move the other places. The high temperature because of the sun heat causes the water vapor a heavy condensation and turns into liquid droplets. The wind makes the size of the cloud increase, and every cloud will overlap. Then it will reach the atmosphere which has a lower temperature. In this temperature, the particle of water is formed. Finally, when the wind cannot resist the weight of the cloud which is filled with water will through a process called precipitation. In the last process, rain falls down to the earth.
Thanks for watching this video.
We hope that this video can give benefits for you.
See you.
You shall